Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is of practical is simple epithelium. So in simple epithelium we have a basement membrane on which there is a single layer of cells that lie on the basement membrane. What are the types of simple membrane? As you have already studied that there are the simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium and simple columnar epithelium. Now we will discuss them one by one, that how do we draw it histologically. So, coming to the first epithelium, which is the simple squamous epithelium, where does it lie? It lies in the endothelium, the mesothelium. Mesothelium is the that lies surrounding the intestines and GIT, and the lungs alveoli. Now, how we draw it? In case of simple squamous epithelium, there is a single basement membrane, and the flattened cells. They are the flattened cells that lie on the basement membrane. Here you can see I am making the flattened cells. These flattened cells lying on the basement membrane have a central bulge. Okay, you can see there is a central bulge, and this bulge, in this bulge there lie the flattened nuclei. Here you can see the flattened nuclei. These flattened nuclei in the flattened cells, they make the, this is, I am drawing the cytoplasm in it. Now it makes the simple squamous epithelium. The flattened cells lying on the basement membrane with the bulge, and in the portion with the bulge there lies a flattened nuclei. Now coming to the simple cuboidal epithelium, how we draw it? That in case of the simple cuboidal epithelium, here this is the basement membrane, and the cells are cuboidal in shape, as the name indicates that they are cuboidal in shape. So we will make the cuboidal cells. These are the cuboidal cells lying side by side to each other on a single layer of a basement membrane, and they have a rounded nuclei. Here you can see the central rounded nucleus. All of them will have a single rounded nucleus. Here I am drawing the cytoplasm in it. Now here it is the simple cuboidal epithelium, and the examples of the simple cuboidal epithelium is the thyroid follicles and the distal convoluted tubules. Here I am drawing a thyroid follicle. This is the thyroid follicles, this is basement membrane, and this is the simple cuboidal epithelium lying on the basement membrane, and this is the colloid. The colloid is present in the thyroid follicle. This is a single thyroid follicle, and it will have the central rounded nucleus. Okay, now coming to the simple columnar epithelium, where does it lie? It lies in the epithelium lining of the stomach, intestines, gallbladder and the uterus. How we draw it? That there is the layer of columnar cells. These are the columnar cells, tall columnar cells. These are the tall columnar cells whose length will be higher than the base, and it will lie on the basement membrane. Okay, now here I'll make what will be the, how will be the nuclei? The nuclei will be elongated nuclei lying towards the base. Okay, these are the elongated nuclei which lie towards the base. Now I am filling it with the cytoplasm. Okay, so this is the simple columnar epithelium. Now there is another kind of epithelium which is called the pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Which is pseudo-stratified? Pseudo means false, so stratified means multi-layer. So it appears to be false multi-layered columnar epithelium, means that it appears to be multi-layered, but in fact it is single layered. The multi-layered appearance is due to the nuclei that lie at different levels. Okay, here you can see it lies in the respiratory duct and system respiratory tract and the male genital ducts like ductus deferens and the epididymis. Now, this is the simple. I am drawing the pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Here it will be the columnar cells. Here you can see the columnar cells, and it will also contain some basal cells. These are the basal cells, and then again the columnar cells. Then basal cells. There are two type of cells in it: the columnar cells and the basal cells. The basal cells lie among the columnar cells. Now you can see these are the basal cells. These small are the basal cells with a broad base and the conical apex. Now we will see how the nuclei lies. This is the nuclei of a simple columnar epithelium. It will be the simple columnar epithelium nucleus, elongated and the basal, and it is the rounded nucleus of a basal cells. Now I am drawing the rounded nuclei of all the basal cells. Now what will happen that when there is the basal cells, the columnar cells adjacent to these basal cells will have their nuclei towards the apex like this. As their nuclei are pushed towards the apical region. Now you can see that there are the nuclei which lie at different levels. Okay, these are basal, these are more apical, this is basal. Now as you can see that the nuclei are lying on appears to be lying on multiple layers. So this epithelium appears to be multi-layered, but in fact it is only single layered, which consists of its columnar cells and the basal cells. Okay, the pseudo-stratified appearance is the different lie of the nuclei. The nuclei lie in different positions. Now, in case of pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium, there may be the cilia present on it, which are the modification. Here you can see the cilia, but that will lie on the columnar cells, or the stereocilia, which lie in the ductus deferens. Now, thank you so much.